Why does someone get the deadly disease of cancer? So many questions pop up in our mind. In this video, we'll show you what causes cancer and the answer to all these questions. So let's begin. Each cell in our body has DNA. Because of the programming in this DNA, new cells are produced in a normal pattern and at a specific rate. When a gene mutation occurs in the DNA, abnormal cells instead are made and they also multiply at abnormally fast speed. Together, these cells form a tumor and may present without warning or prior symptoms. So the question that arises here, why does mutation occur in the DNA? There are mainly three reasons behind it. The first one, due to environmental factors. Tobacco chewing or smoking in any form causes cancer of the lung and mouth, whether done for few weeks, months or years. Drinking excess alcohol over a long duration may also lead to cancer of the liver and the food pipe. Infection with certain viruses like HIV, human papillomavirus, hepatitis B and C virus increases the risk of having cancer. Subjection of the skin to sunlight and ultraviolet rays directly and over a long period may bring about skin cancer. Exposure to some chemicals may give rise to cancer. This exposure takes place due to working in paint, glass, dye, rubber, plastic, pesticide, coal, mining and construction industries without appropriate protective gear. Due to air pollution on account of these industries. Rivers are polluted by these industries and chemical exposure ensues by drinking this water. Irrigation of farms by this water and eating fish from this polluted water. By eating food which has lots of preservatives. By reusing and heating plastic bottles and containers with BPA. By eating fruits and vegetables sprinkled with insecticides and pesticides. Also, there are chances of getting cancer on exposure to X-rays, long-term hormonal medications and radioactive substances. In some individuals, these cancer-causing gene mutations may be hereditary. For example, in the rare case of hereditary breast and ovarian cancer syndrome, or in the case of retinoblastoma which affects children. Despite having knowledge about all these reasons, we are still looking for the source of some gene mutations which cause cancer in the absence of all known factors. And yeah, this is not because of karma. Do share this video so that everyone can benefit from this information, and we'd love to read your suggestions and questions.